guys, it's Regina from How to House. In this ever-expanding world of USB chargers, wouldn't it be great to have a few outlets in your house? Here's how to convert your basic wall outlet to a USB one in a few easy steps. First, you'll have to buy a USB receptacle. Make sure you read all the instructions in the box before you start. The most important step before you install is to turn off the power at the breaker, powering the receptacle circuit you are replacing. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is completely off before starting. Gently remove the existing receptacle and disconnect all wires by unscrewing the screws or by the disconnect clip with a mini flathead screwdriver. Straighten each wire with needle nose pliers. Now grab your USB receptacle and start connecting the wires. My connections are labeled white for the white wires, hot which is for the black wires, and a green screw for the bare copper one, also known as the ground wire. Attach all wires per your instructions. Once all of your wires are connected, screw your receptacle back into the wall box and add your wall plate. Turn your power back on and test with an outlet circuit tester. These outlets have been a game changer in my kitchen area. How do you organize your electronics? Let us know in a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.